Hi, my name is Teri Lee from Sweet Pea Papers. I'd like to wish you a happy Christmas in July. The project that we did was a collaboration, and it was called Vintage Christmas Day in July 2021. And my partners were Kyung Shotwell, who designed all the papers, and Lisa Fisher, who gave me the lace and the things to put on the book. And you can also see the videos, links to everyone else that participated with video. And then there's also 2 places that you can post your pictures if that's what you do. And the places are Lisa Fisher's Facebook group and my Facebook group, and the links are below to that too. So this is my homespun Christmas book, and I wanted to make it look like something that someone would have made for maybe a family member or something back a long time ago. So on the cover there are little Christmas bells, and then the ski with the lace, and every one of these, let's see if I can, every one of these have glossy accents on them. I did every page in the book. Page 1 has multiple pockets, and then all the berries have glossy accents, all the berries up here. This page is a writing card page. I didn't want it to slide out since the type of book that it is, and so I did a double belly band. This one opens up and comes down. It's kind of hard to see it, and then you take the writing card out from underneath, and then when you do, so that the page isn't empty, it's got a couple of sentiments, and the back of the card has writing space. You have to put that all the way down for the magnet to grab. That's held on by a magnet. The other side of this is actually painted. It's a button, but I like that side better. The next page is a writing page. I've accented the poinsettia. All the ones through the whole book have glossy accents as well. And so you open this up, and there's a writing journal place, and it says notes. On this one, there's 5 pockets, I think, on this page. There's one here, one here, one here, and one here, and this tuck spot, which has my little Christmas sentiment, which I stenciled on the back, but you can still write on it. On this page, I used magnets, and so these are some of my favorites. This is the white horses, and then the brown horses pulling the sleigh. And then inside here is a writing booklet. You can write on it. And then on here, the writing space, the lines all line up. So once you get to here, you can write straight across, all the way across. And of course, all of the berries on the holly have glossy accents. This side, this page is a Santa page, and the ornaments all have glossy accents, plus the light from the candles. And you open it up like this, and there's all these little cards in here. And then over here, these 2 are pockets, these tickets, and they have these little stamps inside. Then on this side is also some tickets, or some little cards. And then you've got a writing paper that you can take out from here. There's a magnet holding that closed. On this page is it says Merry Christmas, and it's been I guess glazed, and all the berries on here, just like on the same pictures on the home page. This is an envelope, and it comes off, and then when you open the envelope, there's a writing card inside. This is held on by Velcro. I know there's a Velcro dot on there. Oh, somewhere. There it is. So that the skate is right side up. This is my favorite page of the book. This is page 9. And this is one of my favorite pictures. And I don't know if you can tell or not, but every single one of the berries on her hat and on the page There you go. You can tell like that. All have the glossy accents. And then this page, oops, it's the bells. I'm sitting on the bells. And on this page, it opens like this. And then you can see the beautiful poinsettias, which are a tuck spot in the writing card. All the cherries and the poinsettias have been accented, and so have these. And it opens one more time, and there's a writing page, and there's a writing card, and this card opens up like this, and there's writing space on it there. And the little girl is looking up at the sentiment, and it says, I wish we could put up some of the Christmas spirit in jars and open a jar of it every month. And this is a pocket, and it's got these little tags, and these little tags, sure they do, these little tags open to little tiny writing spaces for little bitty notes. And then this is the back cover. Oops. There's a magnet in here that holds this shut. And then the back page is the back cover. And I used, obviously, one of the other vertical pages from the kit. There's lace here that matches the front. All the Christmas ornaments have been accented with glossy accents. My envelope came out. So that's my whole book, my homespun Christmas book. I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, and I got it done, and this is the last video. All right, I will see you in the next video, and Merry Christmas to you in July for this video. Don't forget all the links. Don't forget to post your pictures in the 2 Facebook groups that are listed below. Alrighty, this is Teri saying goodbye, and I will see you in the next video, which will be just a second for you and a day for me. Bye-bye.